Hello everybody, wonderful to be here again. Dogs are happy and birds are happy with me to connect with you. This month and these few days, I believe they are very important as a new vibration again and again. Every few days there is something different, and I know you can feel it. It can happen to you the way that your emotions are working differently and your thoughts are coming into this awareness, understanding of what is happening within yourselves, within your body. What I want to talk to you again about is how to feel. What is it really happening when I have this emotional experience within me? And I would like you to talk to your mind and talk to yourselves of whatever you are choosing. Let's just say, for example, that some emotions are happening in a situation that somebody in your family or somebody in your co-workers and different situations in your life, they just push your buttons and you feel that this old information, old vibrational emotions are coming up again, because I know the people that listening to me, they are already working with these situations and vibrations. But what if they are happening again? From the emotional point of view, you would say, okay, the same things are happening again, showing up. But from vibrational point of view, it is another spiral of going into the same vibrational information that is stored within your field and inside your cellular levels. And this situation is asking you, okay, put your awareness into this vibration. Today we are talking about emotions. So when you feel this discomfort, this emotion that you want to even cry, because, and then this is the question, because why? So please be honest in this moment and sit very quietly for a moment and feel, where does it really come from? Is that my childhood? Is that my little child feeling that she or he is not feeling comfortable? Somebody did something that upset me? Is it my boundaries that they were not respected? Is it my awareness that I haven't been loved enough? Is it my awareness that perhaps I just have to learn how to listen to what my space is? What do I not accept in my life anymore? Please tell your heart, if you choose, that there is no one ever in your life who could hurt you. That this is only your information that you can change at this moment. I know what you're feeling at this moment. And how I felt bad, somebody did something wrong to me. Yes, perhaps it was even very physical. wrongness, but to bring yourself into the power of your being, of your human being. You got to go into the situation, or maybe it is showing up for you specially, so you can tell yourself, I am seeing myself as the powerful being that was just experiencing this, so I can say to myself at this moment in my life, no more. I am saying this to myself, no more. I am bringing my power back into myself, into my heart, into my emotional field. I'm not keeping this anymore. This is why I'm saying no one can hurt me, because I am changing this vibrational information within my cells, within my beautiful heart. My beautiful heart is powerful. My beautiful heart chakra is the portal for my higher self to come through. And my higher self knows that it is not possible to hurt me. That all the experiences that I have experienced in my life, in my childhood, in my previous lifetimes, they were experiencing to perhaps bring me down, so I don't remember how powerful I am. But at this moment, here and now, with me, with the vibration that comes through already, you can tell your heart, you can tell your mind, you can tell your energy vibrational space with a deep breath, I am the powerful being of light, and I am saying enough of this vibration, enough of feeling the victim within me and feeling that I have no power to change things. I am a powerful being of love that I activate from within me the change of the mental structures, the change of emotional structures, because I can, because I am doing it now. Especially at the moments where I feel that this is showing up again for me. I am changing this vibration of my choice, of my feeling, of my structures that are connecting me to my higher self, to the universe that loves me, and to my beautiful loving heart. Breathe in with me, because you can, because we are doing it now, and because you can repeat this exercise as many times as you want. And the sound is going to penetrate links, these vibrational patterns that you want to transform. And you can just breathe with me now, again and again, saying to your heart, I choose differently. I am the powerful, loving being for myself. And when you are doing this, you are going into your heart. You are going on the top of your head. You are breathing slowly and gently. And at the same time changing the vibration with my sound. Vibration, which means you are choosing differently. You are feeling the structures of the higher self around you. In the same way that I am working with you, believing in you and your beautiful, powerful heart, the same, the universe is around you, keeping this vibration with me and around you with your higher self. And you are making the choice to change information. No one can hurt me because I am choosing to know and remember how powerful is my heart, how I am one with my higher self, my divine light, my divine Gaia, and my divine angels. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Have an amazing day. Talk to you soon.